Dude, imagine like I continue to post on YouTube and get like extremely big, and I can do like surprising my 1 millionth subscriber by taking his dog to the pound and having it put down.
Sticks and stones may break my bones.
And my fleshlight is out of batteries.
Like Zoink Scoob, I think she's got an extra chromosome.
So I was sitting here doing that. I was just slapping my dick in my hand, and they could hear it over the mic. And I think it was Yak that told me to stop slapping my dick against it. I didn't even tell him I was slapping my dick against nothing. He just knew the sound.
Yeah. Like 10 minutes later, she fell down the steps, and I was literally just gone.
That's how I be, dude.
Well, you just fall down the steps because you don't even need a drink in you to do that.
Listen, you don't have to call me out like this.
Am I
think it's
wrong?
what? Cremate?
Gonna mention how old you were.
Alright.
Is dementia?
How the fuck do I walk up these stairs? What are these? Nice. Well
Better.
played.
You're better, Inches. Hear me? You're better, sexy.
My son.
That's our son. We tongue kiss him every night.
Wait a minute.
Tom Brady? Oh, my fucking dog is whining.
Kick it.
Kill it.
Guys.
No way, you're wasting ammo?
Yeah.
What is wrong with you?
In this economy? Jesus.
At least aim it at the school
Let's
next
slow
time. What?
Alright, walk this, walk. Alright. Text me when we get a match.
Everybody report him for racism.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not racist!
Which is on the phone, but you can pick an agent.
He probably could turn his monitor off and still pick Omen.
What's a monitor?
It's what I wear on my ankle because I visit too many preschools.
I don't think I've ever met a single person that likes this map.
This map is...
Yak does.
Yak isn't allowed to have opinions.
Does he identify as a woman?
I've been playing for like 5 days now, so
No.
get the fuck off my dick.
No.
I'm
Incorrect.
just trying to hop on it. What?
I mean,
Is it weird that we're saying this while we're alone?
are we ever really alone? Am I right, TikTok? Oh, that's it. I'm myself.
Can I be a part of you killing yourself? You want to just go on 3 and then we each shoot each other in the head?
I feel like that's not gonna work out the way we want it to.
No, it's not. Not at all.
I'm autistic, bro. You're gonna say 2, and I'm gonna get anxious and pull the trigger early.
Got called a slur today.
Ooh, which one?
Which one do you think would make more sense? I'm
I don't know.
curious.
There's so many that come through my mind whenever I think of you.
If you get into fights like every day with your significant other, wouldn't you just break up with them?
No, I'd consider abuse.
Oh my god.
What's your favorite Among Us map, Jet?
Spaceship?
Ooh, ask me my favorite. Ask me my favorite.
What's your favorite one, Koopa?
Auschwitz.
Crazy wicked, dude.
Crazy ugly. Okay, BRB.
You don't even know what the fuck I look like.
I do.
Alright, chill the fuck
It's my
out.
fault, dude. I got a little giddy. I had my legs swinging and
I do. No, you fucking don't, dude. You're like 6'9".
yeah, I
You
know.
cut fucking holes in the floor so your feet can just dangle.
Clutch or kick? Clutch or make out? With me under the moonlight?
Maybe a little picnic.
I want to make
A little oak tree.
Maybe it
I'm
is,
gonna
maybe
kill
it
us
isn't.
all.
He's black! He's got a gun! He's black! He's got a gun!
What the fuck?
Dude, I cannot shoot.
Me when my gun jams at school.
You still go to school, Coop?
14.
He's a spectator.
Oh.
I'm gonna use some words. Mute your mic.
Agent
guys.
Run!
I want to hear these words.
I'm about to
What was that?